me give you a little bit of context here. I think almost a year ago, I built this box with the intent of making my own area, and this would be like my toolbox, like my personal stuff would be here and stuff. It didn't work at all because it was like next to the woodworking area and you know all the dust and everything, and then it was small. It didn't work. As soon as I put these ones here, I was like, this is not gonna work. Like also this is very kind of nice to use in videos. I want to keep it like this. So I basically closed down everything. Now the woodworking area is here. My personal area is there. Let me show you the woodworking area. So now I'm enclosed here, and the dust stay here. The heavy CNC is finally in place and working. We also upgraded it. And then I have my area, which is, now this is my area. We found this, these are awesome. Also, I have a system that if I need something, I go and I find it. I don't want to show everything because I'm ashamed, it's still pretty messy. The cool thing is today, I'm gonna make the wall of tools. I just realized that I underestimated the amount of stuff that's gonna be in here. So this is too small, we're gonna use that, which is already black. It's not the same color, but it's fine. It has this hole here, but we're gonna use it for something, right?
Right.